Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Viraj and today we guys are going to see function part 1. So what is a function? Function is a reusable code block. Each function do the one task. So for example, if you are writing a function for addition, it should do the only addition, it should not do the multiplication, subtraction, division. By default, every function return a none. Function executes on a demand. There are the two things in a function, which is first is function definition, second one is function call. The naming convention in a function that function names are always in a lowercase. Separator in between the two words we can use as an underscore. The syntax for a function: def as a keyword, function name opening closing parenthesis, colon. After a colon we have to give an indentation rule, that is a 4 white spaces, and we can write our logic. This code block is called as a definition. If I wanted to execute a function, then we need to write a function name opening closing, and that is called as a call of the function. We can see that example on the right hand side, def message. Message is a function name which has a print statement which is printing hello world. The function call, which is a message opening closing parenthesis, will call the particular function and it will return hello world. We can see the same thing in an example. Even this particular function return a none by default. We can see that one more example. Here we are having a parameterized function. Def add a comma b. Def is a keyword, add is a function name, a and b are a parameters. We are writing a return statement which is returning the addition of a and b. At the bottom, add 10, 20. 10 and 20 are nothing but the integer values. 10 will going to get passed to the a and 20 will get passed to the b, and 10 plus 20 will get written as a 30. We can see that in the right hand side. Let's see all these things practically. Function, def message, print hello world. This is the definition, guys. This is not calling hello world, or this is not printing a hello world. We need to write a message opening closing parenthesis. This time it will return a hello world. So in input number 1 we have defined it, and input number 2 we have called that particular function. We can give the any name to the function. So right now just wanted to print some message, that's why I have given a name as a message. I told you one thing, that every function return a none. How this function returns a none? In order to print a none, what we need to use? Print. Print opening closing parenthesis. Even print is a built-in function. Print is built-in function. Message opening closing, and let's run this. We can see that hello world as well as a none. I can write one more example. Def msg, return hello world. MSG will return a hello world. If I'm using a print this time, it will not going to return a none. Reason is it is already returning a hello world. So this is how we can write a return statement explicitly. Let's see the second example for a parameterized function. Def add a comma b. A and b are nothing but the parameter. Return a plus b. add 10 comma 20. The function is returning 30 as output, where 10 is pointing to the A, 20 is pointing to the B. If I wanted to see what exactly the A and B holds, I can write a one more statement in the add function definition. Def add or addition, I can write it A comma B, print value of A is comma A, print value of B is comma B, and lastly return A plus B. Addition 10 comma 20, and we can see that A is having a 10, B is having a 20, and the result still 30 because we haven't changed the value. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in a next. Thanks.